So,
this is Buddha. He's got something to add about hiking in the rain.
all right. So one of the biggest issues with rain hiking is, one, you are going to get wet when it rains. I have seen this so many times. One of the biggest issues that a lot of people do not bring is dry clothes. And not just dry clothes, but dry clothes in a dry sack.
There you go. At least have them in your car if you're not going to hike them in with your backpack.
There you go.
All right. Thank you,
Yep.
Buddha.